Hello my friends and welcome back to Tamada's table. Today we will be making super easy but delicious yogurt soup Matsvnis Supi. Let's begin. My pot is preheated with butter and vegetable oil. Now time to add the onions and cook on medium heat for 6-7 minutes or until translucent and tender. My onions are done. They are tender, translucent, and slightly becoming golden at the edges, so it's time to add rice and boiling water. Now cover and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes or until the rice is done. My rice is cooking, so it's time to take care of the yogurt. And I will be using just plain natural Greek yogurt today because I don't have Georgian yogurt Matsoni at hand. Although Matsoni is available online, but Greek yogurt, it's slightly thicker, but it's still a great substitute for Matsoni. So that's the type of yogurt we will be using today, and I will be adding eggs to the yogurt. So I'm whisking yogurt with eggs, you see, and then I will be adding this yogurt egg mixture to this soup. Greek yogurt is a little bit thicker than Matsoni because it's strained of moisture. Matsoni is not, and that's why I will be adding a little bit of water so it's easier to stir it in the soup. Just a little bit and then stir, stir, stir. So you see it's much more liquid, the mixture, and that's why I won't have problems adding it slowly to the soup. You know that Georgia is considered the country of centenarians, although today many people live long lives, but for a while many anthropologists were going to Georgia to find the secret of the diet of those who live so long, like up to 100 years. And what they found that they consumed Matsoni yogurt almost every day. And that's what the Georgians do today. They eat a lot of Matsoni, they cook with Matsoni, they add Matsoni to the dough, they even make condiment from Matsoni flavored with garlic, and also we like it for dessert, like every day at 7 o'clock. My mother and I, we are enjoying Matsoni when I'm in Georgia. There are so many variations of yogurt soup, Matsvnis Supi, but for classical version, Georgians usually use dill. It's the main herb. Some cooks they use plus cilantro, or some cooks just opt for mint, which is fine too. But for this soup today, I will be using dill. So I'm cutting my dill, I'm waiting for the rice to cook, and then my soup will be ready in 5 minutes. How easy it is, right? The soup which is done so quickly and it's delicious. You know that yogurt soup is in many countries, right? But in the Middle East, for example, where yogurt soup is very popular, it's cold yogurt soup. But in Georgia, we prefer hot yogurt soup, and that's exactly Matsvnis Supi we are making today. My rice is ready, you can see. And now I will be adding the yogurt and egg mixture to the soup. And I'll do it very, very, very slowly, so I can whisk, constantly whisk while adding the mixture, like that. Done. Now we will be adding a little bit of garlic. It's about 2 cloves of minced garlic. And again, whisk. Or just stir the soup, and I'll be adding the dill. See? It will give an excellent color to the soup. And now all you have to do is to stir and bring it to boil, but don't boil this soup, otherwise the eggs and yogurt mixture will curdle. Time to add black pepper to taste and salt. And continue stirring. My soup is almost done. I can see it's very close to a boil. As I told you, you just need to bring the soup to a boil, but not boil it. See how creamy the soup is? Hey, my soup is ready, so it's time to enjoy. And if the soup is too thick to your taste, you can always add some boiling water, right? So I like this soup thick and I like it warm. Here's my soup. I will decorate it with a little bit of dill. Or if you have parsley, you can add parsley on top. As I said, the main herb is dill, but of course you can use combination of cilantro and dill, or cilantro or mint. And here is my Sunday lunch. I have soup and I have salad. It's actually delicious salad, and I'll give you the recipe. If you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends. Come back for more. Bon appetit! Che mrielet!